Hello and welcome back. It is time once again to try to fix something. And today on the workbench, another PS5 that's supposed to be no power, but I think I was lied to on that one. If I can show you, it even says on the side of it, does not turn on. And if I press the power button, turns on and back off. So I guess we can debate the difference in the terminology there, but to me that is turning on and right back off. So yeah, but that's where we are. I hate these. These are really hard to fix. If we're lucky, we find something, a shorted capacitor somewhere on some kind of a runtime rail. If not, we have a dead APU. We could have all kinds of issues. Well, let's get into this fun little repair. Alright, side plate is off, and I do like to see this. Security tape still in place. An unmolested PS5. I'll take it. Well, here we are in at the workbench, taking a look at this EDM020 board that is powering on and back off. And I want to take a quick look at the initialization, although I'm rather sure it's going to be just fine, because we are getting the beep and the blue light and back off again, which looks normal. Yeah, up to 311 milliamps and back down. That looks totally normal. So I don't think we have a initialization problem. Just wanted to look at that and confirm that. So it's something else. What? Something that's only powered up when the console was fully turned on, which is pretty much everything else except for maybe the south bridge or something. It's everything else. I decided the best way to move forward with this repair was to use BWE's PS5 code reader to determine what codes were present on the board. And that indicated that there was a piece of bad RAM. That same error is repeated over and over and over again. Specifically, RAM 8, which is on the bottom bank as it labels it. So, armed with that information, I then found the chart provided by BWE, which indicates which RAM is number 8, because I didn't remember off the top of my head. And from there, I knew what exactly I needed to do to make this PS5 work again. Alright, well, the BWE code reader indicates that we have a bad piece of RAM, RAM number 8. Let's take a look at this under the microscope. You can see the part number of this. Samsung. Piece of Samsung RAM on this one. I do have some. I pulled off another board. Right, here's one of them. I'm just comparing the numbers. Need to reball this one and give this one a try. I think it's a good one. I hope it is. Only way to know for sure is to swap it out. So let me get that reballed. I'll probably just do it by hand. It's just a single piece of memory. And we'll get it swapped out, and let's just see if that helps our problem or not. I hope so. Here we are back out in the garage. Our hopefully bad RAM IC has been replaced with a good one, hopefully. It's one I pulled off a board some time ago. Maybe we're about to find out. Yeah, everything's hooked up. Let's go. She's staying on. She's staying on. Nothing on the monitor yet. Maybe thinking about it. Still flashing blue. Oh, the monitor locked. Well, so that RAM IC was bad. Either it was bad or, could have had bad solder connections under the bottom of it. I need to take a look at that chip, see if any of the pads look kind of iffy. Not that I want to put it back on, but just kind of curious about that. If the RAM IC was actually bad or just had, bad connections underneath it. It happens. All right. That looks very promising. All right, let me do some more cleanup on this, and we'll get it buttoned back up. Maybe give it some more checkout. How's that sound? But that looks very promising. Well, I have fully reassembled this PS5, and I've been letting it run and installing a game and just let it sit there and run its loop. And so far, she's been rock solid. No problems whatsoever. I think we can get rid of this sticker. Finally. Very satisfying, I must say. Whoops. Almost pulled it off, whole thing over. Finally. Industrial strength masking tape. But yeah, apparently that one RAM IC is what was keeping it down. And luckily we were able to identify that, get it changed out with a donor. And she's all better now. Well, I hope you liked that one. Thought it was somewhat interesting, educational, entertaining, any of the above. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in that very next repair. So long for now.